Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working with this unit from LaVivid Hair. It's 14 inches long, lace in the front with thin skin around the perimeter so it can last longer. It's a pretty thick, thin skin. The unit I have on right now is called the Noah hair system. It is 14 inches long. It is Indian hair, naturally straight, color 1B off black, and 14 inches long, did I mention? Yeah, it's pretty long. You guys ready to see this? Make sure, just take that in real quick. Look at that. Natural hairline in the front. Pretty cool. This hairstyle works pretty well if you got a, this fade going on the sides. I think it looks pretty cool. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Check it out. 14 inches long. Naturally straight. Actually, you never want to brush your hair like that from the top. You always want to brush it from the ends if you have longer hair. What do you guys think? LaVivid hair, 14 inches long, natural hair color 1B, off black, natural straight, by LaVivid hair. Looks pretty cool, right? I like it. Gives you that little rock and roller look. If you guys are into that sort of thing, I think it looks awesome. I'm gonna be rocking this for a while. Some long hair. And I don't know if I mentioned, this is Indian hair. This is Indian hair, 130% density. It's not a full wig. It's like your regular unit. This one goes from here to about here. So it goes a pretty long way in the back. It is lace in the front with thin skin right here and thin skin all the way around with monofilament on the top. So it's breathable, it's very durable. So if you guys want to try it out, make sure you check out LaVivid Hair. You guys can check them out on LaVivid Hair on Instagram if you want, or you can just go directly to their website where I have a coupon for you guys. It's called I have a coupon code for you guys for 15% off. And it's just my name, it's Carlos15. And you get 15% off any unit from your purchase. 15% off. LaVivid Hair. Yeah. Looks awesome.